Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Now luckily I live in Vietnam, so I got these a little bit earlier because they're made in Vietnam. They come in black, they come in white, and they come in this nice bronze colour that I have here. Now let's take a look around the box first and we'll see what information there is. So you've got Samsung Buds Live on the front. On the back it gives you a little bit more information. Ergonomic design, 6 hour playback and 21 hours charging in the case. And of course you can use it for phone calls and listening to music. Okay, a little bit of information there. And Buds Live on the side. Right, so let's cut this open and have a look. There we go. Right, so first of all, right, we've got some documentation fell out as I opened the box here. So in here we have the warranty information, I believe, quick start guide and warranty card. Now these should be guaranteed for 12 months. So next we have this little box in here. Okay, so inside here we've got a charging cable, which is USB Type C, and then that goes to USB Type A, so standard cable. And tucked in the corner there are two more tips, and these are the larger size, and I'll give you a close-up on those now. So this is the side that go into your ear, and then this is the underside of the same ones. So you've got one large, one small, but they do say that they'll fit most ear types. Right, so let's have a look. It's a nice little box, similar to like a ring box. Very nice design, quite small. And underneath there we've got some more information. Okay, so it's got the charging information there. These are wireless charging as well, so you can use a wireless charging mat. Right, so USB Type C in the back. You've got a little light on the front, which is an indicator light. There you go. So it tells you if the charging state of the case. And there's the jelly beans. I mean the Samsung Galaxy Bud Live. Very, very shiny, very nice. So on the top there you've got an airflow port, which is the same sort of thing that the Apple AirPods Pro have. And then you've got two microphones, one in that small recessed hole that stops wind, and one on the top. Inside you've got the other side of the airflow port, and then you've got the speaker itself. Beautiful design. Nice shape. Nice box. Nice colour. I like all of the design this year. Okay, let's just do a quick comparison with the Apple AirPods Pro. So the case is a little bit wider. The Samsung case is a little bit thicker, but overall it's a nice pocketable size. So you've got the indicator light, the same sort of thing on the front there, but they don't have the silicone tips. The silicone tips do bother me still. They do make it uncomfortable if you're wearing them for long periods of time. So I'll be checking carefully to see if these eliminate that. So let's see how quickly they pair up now. So open the case and there we go. That's pretty quick. So you can see the charge level on the case and the Buds Live. Let's just try one more time. Okay, so they do pop up pretty quickly. I'd say that's probably a little bit faster than the Apple AirPods Pro. One more time and even faster. Right, so that's good. so they pair nice and quickly. Let's have a closer look and a listen. Right, so taking them out. This is the charging port inside the case. Okay, so the case needs a little charge, but these are charged up fully. So these have got the small tips in, and as you can see there, the speaker grills are shaped to go into your ear holes, or your ear canal. They don't push in, they just sit loosely on the outside. I must say they do look like a nice, comfortable design, but I shall give you all of that information at the end. Let's just put them in. Okay, so they make a little noise as you put them in, like a little chiming noise. Right, okay, that's already there. Okay, sounds good. The bass sounds okay. Let's have a look in the settings, what it's on. Okay, it's already on dynamic. Let me listen to bass boost. Okay, bass boost, that muffles the singing voice of the singer. Treble boost is too much. Dynamic sounds about the best. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to go with dynamic. That's the same as the Buds Plus and the Buds before them. Okay, so you've got different controls. You can choose different controls for each Bud Live. General, so you can reset them, and then you've got a gaming mode and a thing for relieving pressure. Right, so active noise cancellation isn't on yet, so let's try that. Okay, I could hear my daughter in the background of the video, and when I turn the noise cancellation on, she goes away, it stops the noise. So it does seem to work quite well. Right, okay, I've got a notification I can't get rid of. Right, okay, they sound great. I'll give you a follow-up video on these in about a week, just to see the battery levels and how long they last on an average day. I do use AirPods and things a lot with making videos and watching YouTube videos as well. But yeah, it sounds good. Let's try a different singer. Well, I haven't got any complaints. They sound equal to Apple AirPods, and they're nice and loud as well. The one thing I don't like about the Apple AirPods is they can be a little bit lacking in volume, and when you turn them right up they don't sound so good. But these aren't turned right up, they're only just over half and they sound great. Right, I'm going to show you a few pictures with them in the ear. Not in my ear because I couldn't get a picture very close, so I used my wife instead. But as you can see, they look nice. They look the same in my ears, so they should fit most people. There's the inside charging light, and it looks very nice. It's nice and bright, and it stands out well. Of course, wireless charging. There you can see them charging on the Samsung wireless charging. The outside light. The bottom of the case again. Right, so that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.